Hi all, wish you a very happy Vijay Dashmi. I know you will be seeing this at the night or tomorrow morning or sometime because I'll be releasing it then. But still, wish you all a very happy Vijay Dashmi. May God bless you with all the happiness and prosperity. So coming to today is the day 10 of Dasara, that is Vijay Dashmi, a very important day for everybody and celebrated all over. And I will tell you few bits where and how it is celebrated a little bit. So today we pray to Devi as Mahishasura Mardini, where she will be having 10 nans and sitting on a lion with different weapons and all. So now I'll discuss a few places and how it is celebrated, Vijayadashmi. So firstly, I want to discuss Mysore Dasra because I just want to discuss it and there's a lot to discuss and to share a lot of pictures. I know you all know about it, but still I will tell it. So Mysore Dasra is celebrated for the whole 10 days, that is 9 days of Navratri, and the last day of Vijayadashmi where it is Jambu Savari. For the whole 10 days, there will be other celebrations like they'll have dance performance, music performance, they'll have wrestling bout, kusti fight, that is, and they will have fairs, mela, they tell, no? So they will have all that for all the 9 days and the 10th day. On the 10th day is especially for Jambu Savari. So what does Jambu Savari means? On the elephants, they take the Chamundeshwari Devi, which is there. Chamundeshwari Devi means that is the fourth Shakti Pita where Sati Devi's hair should have fallen. So that is the fourth Shakti Pita. They take the Chamundeshwari Devi on the elephant for the parade, the procession. That is Jambu Savari. In this, there will be 12 elephants, and all the elephants' name also will be has Indian Hindu names only. It will be Drona, Balaram, Arjuna, Abhimanyu, Gajendra, and all. And it will be taken all the places. And before this, the puja will be done to Chamundeshwari Devi, to Bunny tree, and so other little rituals will be followed. And the puja is mainly done by the kings. The present king is Yaduvira Krishnadatta Vodayar, and before him it was Krishnadatta Narasimharaja Vodayar. This started around 410 years. It has been followed since then. It started in 1600, and from then till now, everything is followed, and a grand celebration is done. A very big crowd has been attracted from all over India and world, and all the places people come to see the whole 10 days, or especially the last day, that is Jambu Savari. People from all over the India come to take part in the music, dance performance, or the wrestling, fighting, and also they come and they just enjoy the festival. So I was telling about Bunny Tree Puja, right? So Bunny Tree Puja is mainly done, as far as I know, that is when Pandavas were in exile, that is go back to Mahabharata. So when Pandavas were in exile, they would have hidden their weapons in a tree, and that tree is Bunny Tree. On this particular day, that is Vijayadashmi day, they go and take back their weapons, and the story goes on. So this is that particular day. So on this day, we do puja to Bunny Tree, and we give leaves to others, and it is a symbol of victory. So today I visited a temple where they did the puja of the Bunny Tree, and this temple is very close to my place. This temple is 1600 old years. That is the tell. When it started, it was in the mud structure, and now it is built up very nicely and bigly. And over there, the Ganesha Pratishtapanam is done by my parents. That is, I guess, when I was born or just born before one. It was done so long back. So next, I will talk about Ayodhya. So you all would have come across some videos or some clips where Ayodhya is celebrating Dashara very grandly. And why are they celebrating means, I told you and mentioned you in one of the videos that Vijayadashmi is a symbol of where Lord Rama killed the demon Ravana. So this is also the symbol of that. I had mentioned you this. So they celebrate Dashara over there also. And how do they celebrate? So from almost 1.5 weeks, they celebrate by decorating the whole city and doing a lot of pujas and all. The main important thing, which is the Ram Leela, that is they theater act the whole Ramayana every day. And now presently they had been telecasting it in the DD channel, in the YouTube also it was live always. So I will put any picture of that. So they theater act all the whole story of the Ramayana, and that is Ram Leela. So they do this, and in many different places also they do story act a little bit of it. And then the Ravan Dahan. So what does Ravan Dahan means? On this particular day, they build a very big Ravan statue and set it up to fire, as that is a symbol of where Lord Rama killed the Ravan. So that is how it is, and it is very beautiful to see actually. It is mainly done in north, but last year it was done in Bangalore where I had visited, and it was nice. It was nice to see it for the first time. So next I'll be talking about Tirupati. So in Tirupati also it is very nicely done. Why means that is also Lord Vishnu's avatar, they tell, no? The Kali Yuga avatars, Lord Vishnu's Kali Yuga avatar. So there it is nicely done. So they do it for all the 9-10 days. So on the last day, they will have the Chakra Snanam. That is Shanku Chakra, they tell, no? That Chakra Snanam will be there. And then all the rest of the other days will be Brahmotsavalu. Brahmotsavalu means it is again the procession, the parade. So where there'll be God's vehicle. That is, I have told, no, in all the videos that Devi will be sitting on a tiger, lion, bull, and all. So that is the vehicle for the Devi, no? Like that, the Tirumala Tirupati will be kept on few vehicles, and the procession is being done. It will be like Pedda Sesha Vahanam, Chinna Sesha Vahanam, Garuda Vahanam, Anjaneya Vahanam. That is means Anjaneya's ideal is kept, and on that the god is kept and taken for procession. And Garuda's idol is kept, and on that the god is kept and taken for procession. And this will be done every morning and every evening in Tirumala for all the days. So I'll put up some pictures. It will be very nice, and large crowd is attracted to see that also as well. And Vijayadashmi is once again an important part to consider, which is this is the Shirdi Sai Baba's Samadhi Day. Yes, it is said like that. It is the Shirdi Sai Baba's Samadhi Day. There comes 2 Navratris actually. Once comes in the month of March, April, that summer time, and one is this, which this is celebrated grandly and widely. And that time they tell that day Vijayadashmi is Shirdi Sai Baba's birth day, and this time this Vijayadashmi is said as Shirdi Sai Baba's Samadhi Day. So it is celebrated for this also as well. This is Kolkata Durga Puja Visarjan. I will just put a small video or the small pictures where how I celebrated or how it was being done in the house, the whole puja today. On the occasion of the festival today, few people dress up like this and walk in all the streets by singing the Lord's bhajans. And few people walk along with the bull also, where the household people will feed the bull. So that's it, guys, for the whole Dasara vlogs videos or storytelling or whatever it is. That's it for the whole series. This is the last video. Thank you so much for your support. Without your support, maybe I wouldn't have actually done also. So thank you so much, and tata, bye bye, namaskaram.